Hello everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. I'm Dr. S.K. Singh, and I'm excited to be here with you. Today, we'll be discussing the different types of water used in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Our focus will be on understanding the various classifications and their significance in ensuring product quality. We'll briefly cover the standards and requirements for each type. So, let's get started and explore this important aspect of pharmaceutical production together. Let's talk about water used in pharmaceutical manufacturing. This refers to water that must meet specific quality standards, both chemically and microbiologically. These standards are outlined in pharmacopoeias and GMP guidelines to ensure safety and efficacy. Water in this context isn't just ordinary tap water, it has to be of high purity. It serves multiple roles in the manufacturing process. It can be a raw material itself, meaning it directly becomes part of the final product. It can also be used as a processing aid, helping with various manufacturing steps. Additionally, water is often used as a cleaning agent to ensure equipment is sterile and free of contaminants. Lastly, it functions as a utility, supporting various operational needs within the production environment. Understanding the classification and applications of water in this setting is crucial, because it underpins product safety and quality. Throughout this presentation, we'll explore how controlling water quality impacts the entire manufacturing process and ultimately, patient safety. Let's start by looking at the different classifications of pharmaceutical water, which are mainly based on their quality, intended use, and regulatory requirements. First, we have potable or drinking water. This type of water meets the local standards for drinking water and also serves as the feed water for purified water systems. Next is purified water, or PW. This water is produced from potable water through various purification processes, ensuring it meets specific pharmacopoeial standards for pharmaceutical use. Then we have water for injection, or WFI. This is a highly purified form of water that has strict limits on microbiological content and endotoxins. It's typically produced by distillation or approved membrane systems, making it suitable for injectable products. Moving on to sterile water for injection, which is essentially sterilized WFI that is packaged for parenteral use. It's used directly in injections where sterility is critical. There's also sterile water for irrigation, which is sterile and non-pyrogenic, designed for external medical applications like wound cleaning or surgical procedures. Water for hemodialysis is another specialized type. It's specially treated to have very low microbial and endotoxin levels, ensuring it's safe for patients undergoing dialysis. Lastly, we have pure steam, or clean steam, which is generated from PW or WFI and must comply with pharmacopoeial limits. It's mainly used for sterilization processes. Understanding these classifications helps us grasp how each type of water is tailored for specific pharmaceutical or medical needs, ensuring safety and efficacy throughout the manufacturing and healthcare processes. Water plays a versatile and essential role in pharmaceutical manufacturing. First, as a raw material, it's crucial for formulating various products like oral liquids, parenterals, ophthalmic preparations, and for reconstituting sterile products. It's important that the water used here meets strict purity standards to ensure product safety. Secondly, water acts as a processing aid. For example, it's used in granulation during tablet manufacturing, preparing solutions and suspensions, and creating buffers and reagents. These processes rely heavily on high-quality water to ensure consistency and effectiveness. Third, water is vital for cleaning and sanitation. It's used to clean equipment, perform clean-in-place or CIP and steam-in-place or SIP operations, and for the final rinse of sterile equipment, often using water for injection or WFI to guarantee no contaminants remain. Finally, water supports various utilities and support systems. This includes humidification in HVAC systems, pure steam generation for sterilization, and operating autoclaves and sterilizers. All these applications highlight how integral water is throughout pharmaceutical manufacturing, ensuring safety, quality, and efficiency at every step. Water is incredibly versatile in the pharmaceutical industry. It's used in so many ways, from serving as a raw material in manufacturing processes to acting as a cleaning agent for equipment. It also functions as a solvent, helping to dissolve and transport other substances, and it's a key component of utilities like steam and cooling systems. However, the quality of water we use is absolutely critical. Poor water quality can cause microbial contamination, which can compromise the safety of the final product. It can also lead to product failures, resulting in costly recalls or delays. Plus, if water quality doesn't meet regulatory standards, it can mean non-compliance, which can have serious legal and reputational consequences. Understanding the importance of water in pharma is fundamental because it directly impacts product quality, safety, and compliance. Ensuring water quality isn't just a technical requirement. It's a core part of maintaining trust in our medicines and meeting strict industry standards. Water systems are a critical part of pharmaceutical manufacturing, and it's essential that they are properly managed throughout their life cycle. First, they must be validated, meaning we need to ensure they perform consistently and reliably according to their intended use. Once validated, continuous monitoring is key. We have to keep an eye on system performance in real time to catch any deviations early. Periodic review also plays a vital role, as it allows us to reassess the system's performance and compliance over time. Now, all of this aligns with regulatory expectations. We need to comply with various pharmacopoeias like the USP, EP, IP, and BP, which set specific standards for water quality and system design. Additionally, we follow guidelines from organizations such as WHO GMP, EU GMP, and FDA 21 CFR, which provide comprehensive frameworks to ensure our water systems remain safe, effective, and compliant. Overall, maintaining water system integrity is not just about meeting standards today, but about ongoing diligence and adherence to evolving regulations to ensure the highest quality in our pharmaceutical processes. Let's talk about purified water, or PW as it's commonly called. Essentially, it's water that has been specially purified from potable or drinking water to meet strict pharmacopoeial standards. This means it has undergone processes to remove impurities, ensuring it's suitable for pharmaceutical use. Now, where do we use this purified water? It's primarily used in the preparation of non-sterile liquid oral products, like syrups or suspensions. It's also essential in the manufacturing of tablets and capsules, particularly during the granulation process where clean water is vital. Beyond that, purified water plays a key role in cleaning. It's used to clean equipment and utensils to prevent contamination. Additionally, laboratory reagents that require high purity standards are often prepared with PW. So, overall, PW is a critical component in ensuring the quality and safety of pharmaceutical products, whether during manufacturing or cleaning processes. Water for injection, or WFI, is a term you'll often hear in pharmaceutical manufacturing. It refers to highly purified water that meets very strict chemical and microbiological standards. Essentially, it's water that's been purified to the highest degree to ensure safety and efficacy in pharmaceutical products. Now, why is this so important? Well, because WFI is used in the manufacture of products where purity is critical. For example, it's used in the production of parenteral products, which are injectable medicines, and sterile ophthalmic products, like eye drops, where any contamination could be harmful. It's also employed in the final rinse of sterile equipment, ensuring that all residues are removed before use. As for how we produce this highly purified water, there are a couple of common methods. One traditional method is distillation, where water is boiled, and the steam is collected and condensed, removing impurities. The other modern approach, especially as per the latest regulations, involves membrane systems such as reverse osmosis or ultrafiltration, which efficiently remove contaminants while complying with regulatory standards. These processes are crucial in maintaining the quality and safety of pharmaceutical products, aligning with our overall goal of ensuring patient safety and product integrity. Now let's talk about sterile water for injection. This refers to WFI, or water for injection, that has been sterilized and then carefully packaged in sterile containers. The key point here is that it's completely free from any microorganisms, making it safe for medical use. In terms of applications, sterile water for injection is primarily used as a diluent, meaning it helps to dissolve or dilute other pharmaceutical substances. For example, it's used when preparing injectable drugs or vaccines, ensuring they are safe and effective for administration. It also plays a crucial role in reconstituting sterile powders, turning them into usable solutions. Sometimes, it's supplied as a finished pharmaceutical product itself, ready for use in various medical settings. Overall, sterile water for injection is an essential component in the preparation and administration of many injectable medications, ensuring safety, sterility, and compatibility with other drugs. Now, let's talk about sterile water for irrigation. First, the key point here is that this is sterile, non-pyrogenic water, which means it has been specially prepared to be free from bacteria and other microorganisms that could cause a fever or infection. It's intended strictly for external use, so we use it for cleaning or rinsing outside the body, not inside the bloodstream. Some common examples include irrigating surgical wounds to help remove debris and reduce infection risk, or rinsing medical devices during procedures to keep them sterile. However, it's very important to remember that this water is not suitable for injection. It might seem similar to injectable solutions, but using it inside the body could be dangerous because it's not intended for internal use. So the main takeaway is that sterile water for irrigation is a safe, external use product designed to clean or rinse outside the body during various medical procedures, but it should never be used for injections. This distinction is crucial in maintaining patient safety and the overall integrity of our sterilization practices. Now, let's talk about water for hemodialysis. When we refer to this water, we mean highly purified water that must meet specific microbiological and endotoxin limits. This is crucial because the safety and effectiveness of the dialysis process depend heavily on water quality. In terms of examples and uses, this purified water is primarily used in the preparation of dialysis fluids. It's also in direct contact with the patient's blood through the dialysis membranes. Because of its direct contact, maintaining the water's purity is absolutely essential. To ensure safety, this water requires continuous monitoring and control. Regular testing and strict quality checks are vital to prevent any contamination that could harm patients or compromise the treatment. So overall, high-quality water is a foundational element in delivering safe and effective hemodialysis care. Let's talk about pure steam, also known as clean steam. This is steam that is generated from water for injection, or WFI, or purified water, PW, and it must meet specific pharmacopoeial requirements. This means it has to be very pure, free of contaminants, to ensure safety and efficacy in pharmaceutical processes. Pure steam is essential in various applications. For example, it's used for sterilizing equipment, pipelines, and sterilization in place, or SIP, systems. It's also crucial for humidification in sterile areas, where maintaining a contamination-free environment is vital. Overall, the key point here is that pure steam plays a critical role in ensuring the integrity and sterility of pharmaceutical manufacturing processes. It's all about maintaining the highest standards of cleanliness and safety throughout production. Let's talk about potable, or drinking water. Potable water is defined as water that meets the local drinking water standards, meaning it's safe for consumption according to health and safety regulations. It's important to understand that this water isn't just for drinking. It's used in various processes within our facilities. For example, it serves as feed water for purified water and water for injection systems, which are critical in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Additionally, potable water is used for initial cleaning tasks, such as washing floors and external areas around the facility. However, It's key to remember that this water is not used directly in product formulation, since it needs to meet specific purity criteria depending on the application. Overall, potable water is a fundamental resource that ensures safety and cleanliness in many stages of our operations. But it's important to keep in mind its specific uses and limitations within our processes. Let's take a moment to review the comparison summary. Here, we're highlighting the key points between the different approaches or options we've discussed. As you can see, each method has its own strengths and considerations, and understanding these helps us make more informed decisions. It's important to connect these insights back to our overall theme of optimizing performance and efficiency. By examining the similarities and differences, we gain a clearer picture of what best fits our goals and circumstances. This summary serves as a helpful guide to weigh our choices carefully and strategically. Let's wrap up with some key takeaways. When selecting the type of water to use, it's important to consider a few critical factors. First, the dosage form of the medication or product you're working with. Different forms may require different water qualities to ensure safety and efficacy. Second, the route of administration plays a role. Whether it's oral, injectable, or topical can influence the water requirements. And finally, regulatory requirements must always be met to ensure compliance and patient safety. Now, beyond just choosing the right water type, the design, validation, and ongoing monitoring of water systems are absolutely essential. Proper management of these systems helps maintain the quality of the water, which directly impacts the quality of the final product. Remember, water quality isn't just about the water itself. It's fundamentally linked to product quality and, most importantly, patient safety. Ensuring we get this right is key to delivering safe, effective healthcare products. For further support, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help with any questions or additional information you might need. Thank you so much for your attention and engagement throughout this presentation. Remember, we're committed to supporting your success beyond these slides, so feel free to contact us anytime. Thanks again, and have a great day.